Why doesn't he ever listen?
I just want the best for her. Why does she push me away?
I don't even know who my child is anymore.
But maybe your child isn't broken. Maybe they're already perfect, just misunderstood. Because every child is a masterpiece, perfectly created by the Creator. We're not here to fix them, but to discover the unique treasure hidden inside each one. Once we stop trying to control and start learning to understand and support them, everything changes. That's where Passion Camp begins. In 3 half-day sessions, families grow together through shared activities and real conversations. With the help of AI-powered tools and guided teamwork, our 3 modules, Finding Me, Building We, and Ready for the Future, help families understand each other better, strengthen trust, and plan a meaningful path forward. At Passion Camp, our Finding Me module helps parents and children truly see and understand one another. Through the power of motivation science in psychology, big data, and the most advanced AI technology, families uncover each other's inner drives and begin to appreciate one another in new, profound ways. And once understanding begins to grow, something beautiful starts to happen. Our Building We module turns that understanding into real connection. Through a series of hands-on family missions, children take the lead, parents support. And every challenge becomes an opportunity to build trust, respect, and teamwork. Because the future won't get easier. Our children will need ongoing support to face an uncertain, competitive world. That's why, in our Ready for the Future module, families work together to communicate, reflect, and co-create a future that fits their child's unique design. Let's make family their strongest foundation. Let's help them get ready for the future, together. Because every child is uniquely created and equipped with special talents by the Creator. Let us discover their passion and prepare together as families for the future.